In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage. Adding video content is a great way to showcase your products, tell your brand story, and make your store more engaging for visitors. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left side and click Online Store. Next, click Themes. You'll see your current active theme displayed on the page. Click the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open Shopify's theme editor where you can make changes to your homepage layout. Inside the theme editor, make sure you're editing the homepage. If you're not already on it, use the page selector at the top to switch to the homepage. Now click Add Section on the left-hand panel. Shopify themes usually offer video-related sections such as video, video banner, or video with text. Select the video section that best fits your design. Once added, you'll see settings for the new section. If your video is hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, paste the video URL into the video link field. Shopify will automatically embed the video on your homepage. Some themes also allow you to upload a video directly from your Shopify files. If available, choose the uploaded video option and select your video file. Customize the section by adding a heading, description, overlay text, or adjusting the layout settings to match your store's design. Use the preview window to make sure the video looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the result, click Save in the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully added a video to your Shopify homepage. A well-placed video can help capture attention, increase engagement, and give customers a better understanding of your products and brand. Thanks for watching.